Good morning, everyone. Dr. Vicky here, speaking to you from the Seeds of Transformation Healing Center. We're here in Massachusetts. It's Saturday, September 23rd. Happy fall or spring, depending on where you're watching me from. Today, the moon is in Capricorn and the sun, of course, because while you were sleeping, we had our fall equinox, where the dark and the light are equal. And now here in the northern hemisphere, the dark days begin, and in the southern hemisphere, the light days begin. So we're at that point. We're at one of those cardinal points where things change, the world changes. What else is going on today? We have a trine between Venus and Chiron, just in time. The beautiful healing energy of Venus, trine Chiron in Aries, trying to ease the suffering of how you identify yourself, allowing you the flow of energy to be yourself. Yeah, all in fire. We also have today a sesquiquadrate. Oh no, not another one of those. A sesquiquadrate between Pluto and Mercury. We have to be careful about the Pluto in sesquiquadrate Mercury can force us to change our mind about things just due to the fact that we're out of sync or out of touch with either what's healthy when it comes to relating to others, or we're just not fitting into the culture. And, for those of us who are kind of not fitting in kind of folk, it's a little bit more intense than that. It's not just because you think differently and the like. It's just that in order to enter society, you're going to have to line up with some of the values of society, right? That's kind of the energy with that. And otherwise, how does society sort of stay together? You don't have to agree with everybody, but there are certain things that you need to agree upon, like truth and stuff. But all right, we can also notice that people are trying to utilize their voice to manipulate, which can happen when Pluto's involved. So just be aware of that. It may not be everybody you're talking to, but there may be that one person where you go, I'm not so sure about what this person is saying. Go with that. Go with that. All right. Well, you're not getting the full view here because it is raining. And there's Charlie, of course, right by his mama. And check out my astrology of the week ahead. I just put that out, and I go over this. I go over this week, and there's a lot of big things happening this week, punctuated by that full supermoon in Aries, which promises to be quite the thing. And we're kind of at a place, at least in this country and in many countries, where which way things are going to go. There's a little bit of this teetering energy. Which way are things going to go? Focus your intentions on what you want to see in the world. That'll help it sort of teeter in the right direction, I think. So at least that's what I'm counting on. All right, guys, have yourself a wonderful day. I'm going to go inside, get out of the rain, and have a cup of coffee. All right, take care, everyone. Namaste.